How you doing, folks? And it's day 19 of the candle opening. This is not sponsored by the Galaxy or the Postcode Lottery. And we've got a special guest today. But first, do you want to see a magic trick? The magic trick is 3, 2, 1. Look at that. Nice and clean. Anyway, let's get back to door 19. Door 19 of the Galaxy. We've got a special guest, and let's go for the special guest first. Special guest is Bagpuss. Bagpuss was a 70s children's program back in the 70s. Anyway, let's do the Galaxy and see what's under 19. 19. Let's rip it open. Stay. We have got a bell. Thank you very much. Door 19 of the Postcode Lottery. It says, Children North East supported over 3,900 kids, young people and families. Well, good for them. At least they are supported. They got something to eat, and yeah, and money's gone towards them. Anyway, don't forget the whole world, the other children, not the North East. Think of everywhere. Anyway, stay. He died. So did the calendar. Stay. Anyway, you've just been watching the Postcode Lottery and Galaxy, and you've been watching Mike's 4K eyebrow from Mike's chat. Thank you very much. That was shit. Anyway. Stay. Anyway, you've just been watching Mike's chat with Bagpuss, the calendar opening of day 19, and you've just been watching Mike's chat with the 4K eyebrow. Cheers.